Hello, everyone, and welcome to our new webinar on streamlining data refresh with Power BI Dataflows. In this webinar, we're going to learn how Power BI Dataflows can simplify your data preparation process by centralizing and automating data refreshes. Here at Advisicon, we help organizations achieve greater impact by leveraging work management technologies to accomplish more with less. As work management consultants and technology specialists, our focus is on streamlining processes, improving systems, and achieving better outcomes. In today's agenda, we're going to understand how to create and configure data flows to consolidate and clean data from various sources. We're going to learn how to schedule and manage automated data refreshes to ensure data freshness without manual intervention. We're also going to discover best practices for managing and monitoring data flows to optimize performance and troubleshoot issues. And finally, wrap up with a summary. I'm Shams, a Power Platform developer at Advisicon. While my expertise spans the Power Platform, I am especially passionate about Power BI. The ability to transform raw data into insightful, actionable visualizations truly excites me. I love exploring how Power BI can empower decision makers with real-time insights and drive data-driven strategies. Today, I'm here to guide you through our webinar on streamlining data refresh with Power BI Dataflows, exploring practical tips to maximize the impact of your reports and dashboards. So let's dive in. Introduction to Power BI Dataflows. Let's start by defining what Power BI Dataflows are. Power BI Dataflows are cloud-based tools within the Power BI ecosystem that allows us to connect, transform, and combine data from various sources before loading it into our Power BI datasets. They utilize Power Query Online, enabling us to create reusable data transformation logic that can streamline our workflows. Now, why are data flows important in the Power BI ecosystem? First and foremost, they provide a centralized solution for data preparation. This means that teams can collaboratively define and manage the processes needed to transform their data. Additionally, data flows create reusable data assets that can be used across multiple Power BI reports and dashboards. This promotes consistency in how data is used across the organization. Furthermore, data flows integrate seamlessly with other Power BI features, enhancing our overall efficiency. Can create data flows. There are 4 key ways to create data flows, each tailored to different needs. Option 1, you can define new tables. This method lets us connect to a new data source, configure settings like server and database details, and use the data flow editor to clean and shape the data. Option 2, link tables. For users with Power BI Premium, link tables let us reference an existing table in read-only mode, making it reusable across data flows, merging tables, or reducing refresh demands. Option 3, import-export. The import-export option allows us to save and move data flows across workspaces or save them for offline use. Option 4, CDM folder. Using Common Data Model, we can import data from external applications via Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, integrating datasets from other platforms. Each method is useful in different scenarios, giving us the ability to scale and automate data preparation in Power BI. Using the Define New Tables option lets you define a new table and connect to a new data source. When you select a data source, you're prompted to provide the connection settings, including the account to use when connecting to the data source, as shown in the following image. Once connected, you can select which data to use for your table. When you choose data and a source, Power BI reconnects to the data source. The reconnection keeps the data in your data flow refreshed at the frequency that you select later in the setup process. After you select the data for use in the table, you can use Data Flow Editor to shape or transform that data into the format necessary for use in your data flow. Link tables refers to an existing table from another data flow in a read-only mode. It's useful for sharing a table across multiple data flows, storing data to minimize multiple refreshes, and merging 2 tables. Creating a data flow from a CDM folder allows you to reference a table that has been written by another application in the common data model format. You're prompted to provide the complete path to the CDM format file stored in the ADLS Gen 2. Creating a data flow by using import-export lets you import a data flow from a file. This tool is useful if you want to save a data flow copy offline, or move a data flow from one workspace to another. To export a data flow, select the data flow you created and select the More menu item to expand the options, and then select export.json. You're prompted to begin the download of the data flow represented in CDM format. To import a data flow, select the Import box and upload the file. Power BI creates the data flow for you and allows you to save the data flow as is or to perform other transformations. Let's delve into configuring data sources and the transformation steps involved in data flows. First, when connected to data sources, Power BI supports a wide variety of sources, including SQL Server, SharePoint, and Azure services. You will have various authentication methods available, such as OAuth or basic authentication, to ensure secure access to your data. Once connected, the next step is to apply transformations. Common transformations include merging queries, pivoting data, or changing data types. Utilizing the Power Query Editor provides advanced capabilities to refine your data further, allowing you to customize your data preparation process to meet your needs. In summary, configuring data sources and applying transformations are crucial steps in ensuring your data is ready for exporting and analysis. Now, let's explore some key features of Power BI data flows. First, data flows are stored in the Power BI service, which makes it convenient for users to access and manage their data flows in one central location. This centralized storage enhances collaboration and efficiency. Another significant feature is the use of the mQuery language for data transformations. mLanguage offers powerful and flexible capabilities for data manipulation, enabling you to perform complex transformations easily. Lastly, one of the standout features is the ability to create reusable entities. Entities defined within a data flow can be used across multiple Power BI reports. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency in how data is reported throughout the organization. In summary, the key features of data flows include centralized storage in the Power BI service, the flexibility of the mQuery language, and the ability to create reusable entities that streamline the reporting process. Automating data refresh schedules. Now, let's discuss the importance of data refresh schedules. First and foremost, regular refreshes ensure that reports reflect the most current data. This keeps your users informed and allows them to make decisions based on the latest metrics. Secondly, maintaining a consistent refresh schedule is crucial for accuracy and reliability in decision making. Up-to-date data enhances the credibility of your reports, significantly reducing the risk of making decisions based on outdated or incorrect information. Lastly, timely data refreshes support quick insights and analysis for stakeholders. This allows them to access insights rapidly, facilitating prompt actions and enhancing responsiveness to changing business conditions. Overall, a well-planned refresh schedule is key to effective data management. Now let's move on to the practical aspect, setting up scheduled refreshes. To begin, you will navigate to the Power BI service and select the dataset you wish to refresh. In the dataset settings, you will find the Schedule Refresh option. Here you can configure the refresh frequency, be it daily or weekly, and select your preferred time zone. After saving your settings, don't forget to monitor the refresh history to catch any potential failures early on. Let's explore some best practices for maintaining data freshness. First, it's essential to keep your refresh schedules aligned with your business needs. Tailor the refresh times to when the data is most relevant and collaborate with stakeholders to find the optimal frequency. Next, limit the number of scheduled refreshes to optimize performance. Avoid overwhelming your system with too many refreshes, and consider scheduling them during off-peak hours to ensure better performance. Monitoring is crucial. Regularly check your refresh history for any failures or errors, and implement alerts to notify you immediately of any issues so you can address them promptly. Finally, for large datasets, consider using incremental refresh. This method allows you to refresh only the data that has changed rather than the entire dataset, which significantly improves efficiency. Setting up parameters will help you define exactly which data to refresh, optimizing your processing time and resources. Managing and monitoring data flows. Now, let's explore the tools available for monitoring performance. First, leverage Power BI service metrics to view refresh history and performance metrics. Analyzing trends over time helps identify areas needing attention. You can also access built-in insights for data flows, which provides a quick overview of performance. These insights can help highlight bottlenecks or areas for optimization. Finally, setting up alerts and notifications for refresh failures or performance issues ensures that you can respond quickly to any disruptions. Maintaining the integrity of your data flows. Lastly, let's look at troubleshooting common issues. Start by identifying refresh failures through reviewing the refresh history logs. Look for common culprits like data source connectivity problems or transformation errors. To handle data quality issues, implement validation steps early in your data preparation process. Regularly check for discrepancies and address them promptly. Finally, optimize performance by analyzing your data flows for complex queries or transformations that might slow things down. Simplifying queries or breaking larger data flows into smaller components can significantly enhance performance. In this webinar, we explored the essential aspects of streamlining data refresh with Power BI Dataflows. We began by defining Power BI Dataflows, emphasizing their importance in the Power BI ecosystem and the benefits they offer for data preparation. Next, we discussed the steps to create a data flow, including configuring data sources and transformation steps, while highlighting key features like data flow storage and the mQuery language. We then moved on to the significance of data refresh schedules, outlining how they ensure data accuracy and support timely insights. We covered best practices for maintaining data freshness, such as aligning refresh schedules with business needs and using incremental refresh for large datasets. Finally, we examined best practices for managing data flows, tools for monitoring their performance and troubleshooting common issues to optimize functionality. By the end of the session, we gained a clear understanding of how to leverage Power BI data flows for better data management and streamlined workflows. Thank you for watching this webinar. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Like or follow us on our social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer many free trainings in our online academy. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time.